Butter toast in the oven, so good in under a minute. Today I'm just toasting 2 pieces of toast and I'm gonna place them directly on a baking sheet. I'm gonna bring these guys to the oven where I've already placed my oven rack in the top third of the oven. This is so it's closer to the heat source. Take your toast in the pan and place it directly in the oven, close the door, and now select your broil on high and hit start. You may want to stand by the oven and keep an eye on it because in less than 30 seconds, you are going to need to take that sheet pan out, flip your toast over to the other side, put it back in the oven for just about 20 to 30 more seconds. And in just under a minute, take a look, you have awesome toasted bread. This toast is perfect for spreading butter or anything you want on it. And if you have no idea what bake or broil really means, check out this video where I explain it to you.